What's up, everyone? It is Monday. Hey everyone, it is Monday. My work day is done. I'm heading home right now. Wife and the girls are going out, so I got the house to myself tonight. I'm going to be down in the office most likely tonight. I have a cable being delivered by UPS today. I got to hook up a scanner to my my iMac. I gotta hook up a hard drive to my iMac, and I gotta continue setting up the network down there. So I'll take you guys with me and I'll show you what I'm doing. Yeah, that's about it. I want to get a walk in tonight too, so hopefully I can do that. Starting to get a little bit of color up here in the northeast. So the autumn starts this week. I cannot believe that summer is ending already. But that being said, I gotta get out of here so I can get all that stuff done. So I will get with you guys once I get home. What's up, everyone? I am home right now. Already had my cup of coffee and been home for a few minutes. My wife and daughters have already left. What I'm doing right now is I am installing iOS on my phone, the new iOS 12. It's a new operating system for the iPhones. It's supposed to be a lot more features with it. It's going to for photos, a lot of different stuff, and I'll make a video later on once I figured out what's going on with it. Later on this week is going to be OS Mojave for the Apple computers, so I'm really looking forward to that. There's a lot of features in that are going to help me out with doing the videos and such, and categorizing videos, and it's going to make life a heck of a lot easier for me. So just waiting for this to go up and to finish. What's it doing now? It's just preparing the update. It's already downloaded it. Just waiting for it to start the update. One thing I gotta do is I gotta remember my Apple ID. I mean the password. I did it the other day, so I think I know it. I think I know it. I hope I know it. Anyway, I'm gonna finish setting up the phone, and I'll give you a quick update of what I see once it's all set up. So I'll get back to you guys in just a second. Alright, just to get back with you real quick, what I'm going to do tonight once this updates, UPS should be delivering tonight. I've got a cable to connect my two iMacs downstairs, just to use the old one as a secondary monitor. It's going to make video production a lot easier down there, so I'll be able to see the video full screen for any editing that I'm going to do. So that should be coming in any time now. Like I said, I'm just waiting for UPS to come in. Once they come in, I'll start doing that video. So I'll get with you in a few seconds. All right, everyone. UPS still isn't here. They're usually here by now, but I'm home alone tonight, so I gotta make myself some supper. So I'm gonna go with my old standby and make myself some scrambled eggs. on. I do have to say that was good. Been cooking eggs like that since I was 10 years old. Yeah, just I'm waiting for UPS to come. He's really late. It's 10 past 6. Usually they're here by now. I'm gonna go take a peek outside and see if maybe they dropped it off and I didn't get the email yet, or I didn't hear them pull up. So I'll be back with you guys shortly. All right, everyone, UPS just came. Get the package on my desk. Let's see if we can connect these two Macs together. I was just able to fix my daughter's bookcase. If this works, it'll be a perfect night for me. Let's go cinematic here. All right, everyone. So, down in the office right now, I got the Macs right behind me here. Let's open up this package here from Amazon. This is $5 cable, and I had to have it shipped its own way, but luckily I have Amazon Prime, so it didn't cost me to ship. But this is the cable. Okay, it's a mini display port to mini display port for Mac. All right, so what I'm going to do now is we're going to open this up. I'm going to spin the Macs around, and let's pop it in, and let's see if this works. Hopefully it does. All right, so we got the newer Mac right here. And what we do is we pop this end in right here. Okay. Let's swing over here. Let's get a little brighter because the older Macs are black. This one. Move it in there. Oh, there we go. It does fit. Okay. Okay, so the two Macs are now connected together. So let's plug these in and let's see if it works. All right, now comes the time to test. Like I said, this is an old Mac. This one here. I haven't fired this thing up in forever. So let's see. This is probably going to take a while for that to boot up. And then this one here is the newer Mac that I just reformatted not too long ago. Alright, so they both boot up. Well, they're starting to boot up. So this is going to take a few seconds to do. Probably going to be poop load of updates on this one. All right, so what we need to do here is we need to go into our displays. All right, everyone. I just found out I wasted $5 on a cable. Seems that this here, my old Mac, is a 2008 Mac. And the 2008 Mac monitor will not work with the newer Mac. So I cannot use the Mac as a secondary monitor. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to clear out this Mac, clean it up, sanitize it, and I'm probably going to sell it for $50. When I look back and know that I spent well over $1,000 on that, and it's only worth $50, and Mac's famous for this with old computers where you can't upgrade them. I have a Mac Pro where I work. It was bought years ago, and they spent about $8,000 on that Mac Pro. It was a beautiful machine when they bought it. Cannot upgrade that thing anymore. So basically, it's a paperweight. So, I mean, this Mac here can the 2008 Mac. Or actually, yeah, 2008 Mac can still be used for word processing. You can still get on the internet and you can still run older programs on it, but new programs will not work on it. So it's of no use to me. It's a paperweight. I'm frustrated. I thought I had an easy solution here. Didn't work. So I got to figure out what I'm going to do. Well, I don't have to figure out. I know what I'm going to do. But I'm going to want to get a second monitor. So I'm going to stop pricing some out. and see if I can find one cheap. I don't need anything spectacular. I just want the second display. It makes it a lot easier for video editing. So I'm frustrated right now and disappointed that it didn't work. So, yeah. Just couldn't be a perfect night. I was able to fix my daughter's bookcase earlier, but this didn't work. But all right, so I'm going to finish scrubbing this out. I will get with you guys in a little bit and let you know how I make out here. Hey everyone, that's going to be it for tonight. Total fail tonight. Total fail. Frustrated. But I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to head to bed. It's getting late. I got to bring my daughter in for MRI tomorrow. So, yeah, I got to get in. If you like this video and if you liked it, click the thumbs up over here. If you're currently not subscribed to the channel, click subscribe down here. You can click the bell icon right next to it, and you'll get a notification anytime I put up a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all again tomorrow.